Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to make our pattern on the lock screen visible when we are unlocking the phone in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. For example, how does it look like now? When we unlock the phone, we have our pattern here. Let's draw our shape, and as you can see, our pattern is invisible. To make our little shadow following us so we can better see the shape, we have to go to the settings. Yes, we have lock screen here, and here is secure lock settings. We have to confirm our pattern and make pattern visible right here. That's all. Let's see how it looks now. Unlock. As you can see, there is a little line that's following our shape. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.